Hello guys. I have some good news. The reason I'm dressed like this is just to take a moment and think for a second. Well, some of you may know I talked to you over at Steam. I just came from an interview at Dairy Queen. For some of you who don't know what Dairy Queen is, it's a fast food restaurant specializing in ice cream and other frozen food like blizzards. If you don't know what a blizzard is, it's like ice cream that's really good, really thick, and they mix it with like, I don't know, like Smarties or Oreos or something, which is really, really good. They're really good. And yeah, so I just had an interview. The interview was good. We talked about stuff. So instead of me going into super detail, basically March 6th is when I will know if I get the job or not. Because right now they're hiring the whole week and they're doing interviews. There's one manager, and hopefully I get the job. Minimum wage, of course, but it's better than nothing. So if I get that job, I'll be working Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Possibly as much as I can Saturday, much as I can Sunday, and evenings for the rest of the week. Monday and Tuesday I'm busy. So that means I'll be less gaming a bit and like computer stuff. But I'll still be doing these updates. Like, don't like go crazy, right? Because I still have the whole morning off, right? Because my co-op is after school with this. I'm still doing the computer thing, so my computer technician co-op at the place is after school, so I still have the whole morning, and I'll still have I'll have lots of time. So don't worry, guys. The temperature issue thing, my BIOS is totally updated right now. I disabled cool and quiet, still the same thing. I'm talking to Foxconn support, and they're just going through me step by step, and I just have to wait for their replies and stuff. It's through email and stuff, so I just have to wait, which sucks. My internet, my connection speed used to be, because I'm using wireless, it used to be really crap, but now it's good. I don't know why. So I'm getting usually 130 megabits per second out of a wireless N adapter, so less than half. It's better than 100. And it's 2 floors up, so my router is 2 floors up over there and down here. So what do you expect, right? So with that money I get, I'm gonna be saving a lot. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my driver's license first thing. I'm gonna then, for computer-wise, because I don't have to go into detail about all the other stuff. Computer-wise, first thing I'm gonna do computer-wise, change the power supply. Done. Buy a video card. Since I'm getting a job, not sure if I should go with a 4870 or a 4850, because I don't know how much power I would need. I know 4870 is a lot of power, and I was thinking 4870 because GDDR5, and I'll be able to put another one in, and I don't really need two 4870X2s, because that's just, yeah, you know, I don't need it. And then after that, possibly 2 more gigs of RAM or monitor, either or. Monitor, as I said before in my other videos, 19-inch minimum. I'm thinking a nice resolution would be 1650 by 1080. I think that's the resolution. Yeah, that's what I would like. 1080p would be nice, or 1200. Like a 24-inch monitor, but then that's be like $300. But it'll be really nice. Then I would need the graphical juice, like video card, so I would need a 4070. I can still use a 4050, but still be much better. That's basically it. And then speakers, and then maybe hard drive, another hard drive, put in RAID 0, Phenom 2 or AIM 3, depends what around there. I would put that actually in between the RAM and the monitor. Depends. So I'm gonna email back Foxconn, see what's happening. Hopefully I get this job. I'll let you guys know. March 6th is when I'm gonna know. If I don't get a call by then, that means I didn't get the job. If I get a call, I get the job. Hopefully I get the job. That's it. Thank you for watching. And I'm dressed like this because I just had my interview and I look like a douchebag. So, that's it.